This is the only natural alarm clock. This is a sunrise alarm clock. It wakes you up by increasing the brightness in your room, and you can set up alarms through the app or through the panel buttons on the side here. Here's the alarm setup. You just put a sound in here if you want to. It'll wake you up at the same time the light wakes you up, and you can actually set how bright you want it to get and how fast it'll ramp up. I've been using it for a week now. I just love how I don't wake up like with a sudden jolt from an alarm. It just gradually wakes me up. It's like I'm waking up to regular sunlight. That's the way you should be waking up. If you want to wake up naturally, check the shop link below. They're running a deal right now, though I don't know when it's going to end.